This video is done in collaboration with MakeAMom.com.
Hey guys, it's Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all how to clean the Make a Mom Impregnator and the Make a Mom BabyMaker. The thing that I love about MakeAMom.com is that all of their home insemination devices are reusable, they're washable and reusable. So when you're trying to make a baby, as you all know, there's a lot of things that have to line up. Our bodies have to line up. We have to be ovulating. We have to have our donor specimen ready to go. Like, there's so many different variables and components to getting this thing right and getting that bun in the oven. And the last thing you want to have to do is keep buying refills or keep buying devices over and over and over again. Literally, with MakeAMom.com, you can buy your device, you can use it and wash it and reuse it as many times as you need to create the baby that you want to make. And what's great is that, let's say that you get pregnant. Okay, when you're ready for the next baby, guess what? That Make a Mom device is going to be washed and ready to go because it's reusable. So I'm going to share with you guys how easy and simple it is to clean both the Impregnator and the BabyMaker. It's super simple to do both, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into it.
All we need to clean our MakeAMom.com devices is water, alcohol, and dish soap. My cleaning solution, I'm just going to take 50% water to 50% alcohol and make my mixture to clean the devices. You can use the same mixture to clean both the Impregnator as well as the BabyMaker from MakeAMom.com. Now, I'm going to start with the Impregnator. I'm just going to stick the Impregnator into the solution and draw back the solution into the syringe. Then I will simply just push it out into the sink. And then I'm going to repeat this 2 more times just to make sure that the device is thoroughly cleaned. Also, don't forget, you guys get free shipping at checkout on MakeAMom.com by using the promo code SheilaFree at checkout. Next, I'm going to repeat the same process with the BabyMaker. We're just going to draw back the solution into the syringe. And then once we have drawn the solution back into the syringe, I will then just press the syringe and expel the water from the BabyMaker. And again, I will do that 2 more times. So you want to do it 3 times total just to make sure that you're getting it thoroughly cleaned. At this point, you can set the solution aside and you're just going to take a glass of clear filtered water. And you'll take your device, put it into the water, and draw back the clear filtered water into the syringe, and then you'll expel the water in the syringe into your sink. I'm doing this with both devices, so like I said, it's literally the exact same process for the Impregnator or the BabyMaker to clean them. Next, in order to clean the outside of the device, I'm just going to take some dish soap and water, and I'm just going to clean the external part of the device, making sure to get into the crevice at the bottom and just, clean everything. Once I've done that, I go ahead and I rinse it thoroughly. You do want to make sure that you have all of the soapy water removed from the device. Make sure that you spend a good amount of time rinsing it, just making sure there's no residue left over. If at any time you feel like it's not clean enough for your liking, you can of course repeat any of the steps. Just wash it again until you feel like it's clean enough for you. I'm going to do the same thing with the BabyMaker. Just soap and water, just rubbing it along the device until I feel like it's adequately cleaned, and then I just rinse it thoroughly. Again, rinsing all of the soap and water off of the entire device. Also, you can just take a paper towel and dry off the device as well. Now, I also like to clean the fertility cup and the specimen cup, and I do that just using soap and water. I went ahead and washed it, and now I'm just rinsing it. Again, make sure that you rinse any of the soapy water off of the device. So as you can see, it's super simple to clean the makeamom.com devices. You can literally clean these over and over again with items that you already have in your home. So no need to rebuy your devices, no need to buy any special cleanser. You can literally keep these clean with things that you have in your home.
So there you have it, you guys. Super simple to clean these devices. They're very well made. They're high quality. They're made of medical grade silicone. They're comfortable. And most importantly, you can use them over and over again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you head over to makeamom.com to pick up your Impregnator or BabyMaker and see their other variety of products as well. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.